Hey everyone, today we are diving into some big news that's causing waves across India. If you have been following the financial world, you might have noticed that Hindenburg Research is trending again. But why? What's the buzz all about? Let's break it down. So, for those who might not be familiar, Hindenburg Research is a US-based financial research firm that specializes in forensic financial research. They have been made a name for themselves by exposing fraud and corruption in major corporations, with their most notorious report being the one they published in the year 2023 about the Adani Group.
The Adani Group's shares are in a free fall, declining for the second straight day after US short seller Hindenburg Research's scathing report on the conglomerate.
In their report, Hindenburg accused the Adani Group of pulling off the largest con in corporate history, pointing out issues like offshore shell companies, irregularities in financial statements, and conflicts of interest involving key family members. The fallout was massive, and Adani Group stock plummeted, wiping out billions of dollars in market value. The report also led to regulatory investigations and huge public debate. Fast forward to now, Hindenburg Research is back in the spotlight. Just recently, they posted a cryptic message on X, formerly Twitter, stating something big soon in India. And that's it. No details, no hints, just a promise of something big. Naturally, this has set off a firestorm of speculation. Who's next? What company or entity could they be targeting this time? Social media is buzzing with theories. Some believe it could be another major Indian conglomerate, while others speculate it might involve a financial institution or tech giant. The Indian stock market has already started reacting with a sense of caution. It's like waiting for the other shoes to drop. So why does this matter? Well, Hindenburg's report have proven to be extremely influential. They don't just expose wrongdoings, they can sack entire markets. If they do release a new report, it could lead to a massive shifts in stock price, regulatory actions, and even legal battles. Right now, all we can do is speculate and wait. But one thing is certain, when Hindenburg speaks, the financial world listens. We will be keeping a close eye on this developing story, and as soon as we have more information, you will be the first one to know. And that's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more breaking news and deep dive, and ring the bell so you will never miss an update. Let me know in the comment, who do you think this time Hindenburg is targeting. See you in the next video. Signing off.